Hi viewers, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to take you all to an interesting ride, the tram ride in Kolkata. I am going to tell you about the history of the tram system in the city of Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Today Kolkata Tramway is operated by West Bengal Transport Corporation after Calcutta Tramways Company got dissolved. Today Calcutta Tramway is the only tram network operating in India. It started in 1902. Kolkata Tram is the second oldest electric tramway in India. The first one was Madras electric steel tramway. Kolkata Tram network initially had up to 37 lines in 1960 but has gradually reduced over the years with only 6 lines currently operating due to financial struggle, poor maintenance, low ridership, addition of roads, flyovers, expansion of Kolkata Metro, slow tram speed and perception that the trams are outdated and occupy too much road space. So due to these issues, there has been an occasional talks of either shutting down the network permanently or limiting the operation of the system. However, the system is also considered environment friendly and also an icon of Kolkata. So there has also been recent effort to sustain the system with newer trams. The first tram was horse-drawn tram in India. It ran 2.4 miles between Shialda and Armenian Ghat Street on 24th February 1873. The service was discontinued on 20th November 1873. The Calcutta Tramways Company was formed and registered in London on 22nd December 1880. In 1900, electrification of tramway was done. The first electric tram car in Calcutta ran from Esplanade to Khidarpur on 27 March 1902. In 1951, the government of West Bengal entered an agreement with Calcutta Tramways Companies and Calcutta Tramways Act 1951 was entered. The first double coach trams with wheels between the coaches manufactured at Nonapukur workshop, sometimes called as Elephant Car by CTC. Single coach tram was introduced on 24 December 2012 and they are reportedly faster than the double coach trams. Some single coaches trams are made air conditioned trams also. Right now the tram which you are seeing is a single coach air conditioned tram. The fare of this tram is ₹20. These trams are far better and faster than the old traditional two coaches tram. The place which you are watching now is Esplanade Tram Depot. This is an old double coach tram which somewhat look like a very old school bus from inside. If you are planning to visit Kolkata, then try both the trams, the old one and the new one. Right now I am going from Esplanade to Garihart as I like to have full and broad view of the roads and outside. The old two coach tram fare cost only ₹7. This is the inside of the tram where you will find old benches. The tram ride will give you a sort of historical effect. Let's enjoy the ride. Just see the view from the big broad windows. It's just lovely.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Your eyes will get 180-degree view with the ride. We are passing by Esplanade through Chandni. As you can see, this is a very old system of operating the tram. The driver is using the hand lever and paddle to operate and change the direction of the tram. And whenever the driver is using the paddle, there is a bell sound coming. I just love the bell sound. Now we are about to cross the Birla Mandir. So nicely seen view from the tram. Destination is about to reach. Hope you have liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.